Pasaden urrian Anari eta Talia Zedek musikariek lau kontzertuko bira txikia burutu zuten Euskal Herrian. Ondoren, Tolosako Bonberenera gerturatu ziren, bi kantu grabatzera. Gu bertan izan gara. Anari eta Talia Zedek musikarien arteko harremana duela urtebete sortu zen Gernikan. Bi musikariek kontzertu berean jo zuten bata bestearen ondoren, eta bertan sortu zen egitasmonetako sugarra.
Sortzen da, Talia etorri zalako iazko otsailean, bere Talia Zedek bandekin etorri zen Europara bira batekia, eta Gernikan egin zeben kontzertu bat, eta Gernikako kontzertu hortarako trinketeko lagundien audienztarrek proposatu ziguten bere aurretik jotzea. Eta han egon ginen, elkarrekin jo genuen, nik uste hasieratik jendeak hartu zula olako, nik uste askotan konparatu izan naute berearekin, eta nik bere referentzitzat izan dut askotan. Eta orduan jendeak nik uste ulertu zula lotura hori, eta oso kontzertu berezia izan zen, jende pilo bat etorri zen, daula. Eta geho behakin izketan, justu irailean etortzeko zen, bisita bat zukan, daula, eta 3-4 aste pasatzea etorriko zala Euskal Herrira, eta orduan idatzi zigun esateko kontzertu bat ingoen elkarrekin. Eta gu proposatu genion, izan beharrean gu aurretik, be aurretik eta gero, elkarrekin jotzea, eta gu gustu handiz prestatuko genitula bere kantuak, eta orduan holaxe, egon ginen pilo bat ensaiatzen, da lau kontzertu biratxo.
Talia Zedek musikariak gustora hartu zuen Anariren eskaintza. Anari banda lagun, bi musikarien kantuekin kontzertu bakarra eskaintzea.
I was so excited. I was really happy when you proposed that because, that's kind of what I had hoped for because I knew I was going to be in Bilbao for not just a day or two, but for a chunk of time, and so I was very happy to have someone invite me to kind of be part of their musical world, so to speak, and to have something, to work on. Also, while I was here, I was visiting my partner who's working on a big art project here, and I was just kind of like, well, she's busy all the time. I want to do shows, but I want to do more than shows, so it was perfect time for me to be able to kind of get to know some people and make friends and work on stuff. And I really liked your music when I heard it in Gernika, and so I was very excited when you proposed that because I was just hoping, well, maybe we can do a few shows together. I'm going to be in town, and then you're like, well, why don't we make something together and make a big show, and why don't you come. You play in my band, and we'll play your songs, and you play my songs, and so that was great for me because I love collaborating. And
Bakarkako bidea hasi baino lehen, KOM taldean aritu zen Talia Zedek musikaria. Ameriketako Estatu Batuetako eszena alternatiboan banda ezaguna zen KOM taldea, eta Talia Zedekek ere badu bakarkako ibilbide oparoa. 80. hamarraldiko musika asko bezala, biak ala biak musika eragin izan dira Anarirentzako.
Bueno, nik lehen, hainbeste gure, esango nuke, gure nahi ala ez, gure hezkuntza musikala Ameriketako musika izan da, ez da. Eta gexen bat, 80ko eszena, ez. 80, 2000 urte hoxek. Guk hor ezautzen dugu adibidez kom taldie, gero beha izanin, bakarrik bate, nik segiu nun, da ezautzen nun, ikusi nun hemen, askotan jodu Euskal Herrian da, ikusi izan dut askotan. Eta kuriosa da ze, Zebra diskoa egin genunean asko konparatu zuten Talia Zedekekin eta Komekin, ez? Da nik uste zala pixkat nire ahotsaren timbrearen eta Borjaren gitarren bai bere gitarra jotzeko era edo Chris Brown jotzeko eraren nahasketa bezala pilo bat konparatu zuten berarekin. Orduan hor ja badago zera bat, ez? Nei asko gustatzen zait bere ahotsa oso bere ahotsa eta gitarra nik uste igual definituko nituzte, die zakarra, zerbait zakarra dauka sekoa, baino beroa era berean. Eta gero nik uste oso kantu egile ona dela. Eta hori izango nuke behagatik, eta seguru asko beste hainbat eta hainbat sortzaile emakume bezala, nik uste bai, ez dela beak merezi bezain baloratuan niretzat kriston karrera dauka, edo gitarrista bezala ere ikaragarria nola gotzen gitarra, hoxe esango nuke, hori dana.
Gernikan ezagutu zuen Talia Kanari, eta bertan entzun zituen lehen aldiz bere kantuak. Hizkuntza ulertu ez arren, musika atsegin izan zuen, bai eta emanaldian bizitako pasioa sentitu ere.
When we played with Anari, I had not heard of her before when we played in Guernica, but the booking agent that booked the show for me said, "Oh, this is going to be great," you know, and she was right. She was like, "I think you should do this, and it's going to be wonderful." And yeah, I didn't understand. I didn't know the language, so I didn't understand what she was singing, but I could see the audience around me, like they were so, passionate about it, and I loved the music. And then when Anari translated some of her lyrics for me, I realized that she was also, I knew that she must be an incredible writer, but I didn't know what it was about. I thought maybe it was more political stuff, or I just didn't know what the lyrics were about, and it was really amazing. And then just kind of talking with her and getting to know Anari a little bit better, it has been great. And so I had a good feeling about it. I think I recognized certain things that we have in common, and I thought initially, and then kind of we got to know each other better through this process.
I give you a mile, you take an inch. Yet you say you don't fear me. White snow is falling from a black sky. Each one builds the wall in its own way. Bed full of stones is waiting for me. Let me shelter in yours tonight. Let me.
Kupax disko honetarako Anariren harria kantua abestu zuen Talia Zedekek. Hitzak ingelerara itzuli eta Stones bilakatu zuen bere eginez.
Yeah, with with Harriek, and that song, just sort of the melody and the whole feel of it, really kind of, I connect it with a lot. And then when Inari translated the lyrics for me, I even more so. So, yeah, it's a really beautiful song. And I mean, there was a lot of songs I could have chosen, but that one to me just, I don't know, I just sort of like related to, even before I kind of understood quite everything, all the lyrics and what it was about.
Bideo horretan, Talia Zedeken Laider abestia euskeratu eta kantuaren moldaketa egin zuen Anari bandak.
Hasieran bat aukera nun da gero beste bat bere kantutatik, baino nola, bueno, single bat izen berdun, ezin zenun 4 minutu eta erdi bostetik pasa ezkeo ja ezin zen, eta orduan aukeran jun pare bat kanto luze gixek ziren. Eta justu itzultzen nahi nitzen momentun, bueno, inizen ditut beste bertsio batzuk, ez? Bob Dylanenak, O'Keeffenak, hola. Eta kasu honetan berezia izan da, nik zen Nick Cave o Bob Dylanik galdeu ia ze esan nahi duen letran, ez? Orduan, behai galde nixon, ze esan nahi zuen letrak. Bueno, behak aipadun bezala lehen nire letrakin, guk ere igual, nik ere adibidez alderdi hori igual ez nauken hain presente, ez? Bere zenbait kanto oso politikuek diela, naiz eta metaforikuek izen.
2019ko urrian Anari eta Talia Zedek bandak 4 emanaldi eskaini zituen gurean. Abeslari amerikarra gustora aritu zen Euskal Herriko kontzertuetan, eta harreman horretako emaitza da berriki kaleratu den 2 kantuz osaturiko Kupatx disko ederrau.
Well, it's been really interesting for me because I've played in Bilbao a few times, and I played in Zeraltz and in Tolosa, but I haven't spent. This is the most time I've spent kind of in this area. And when you suggested, you know, we were talking about doing shows, you said, we want to play around here in the Basque Country. If you want to go further, that's fine, but this is what we want to do. And I really like the idea to kind of get to know this country as a separate thing and not just a stop on the tour. You know, to me, it's like my experience, I think, is very different. We were talking before, like, I don't feel very rooted to any particular country. With my family. My family has roots in a lot of different places, but nothing that I feel very tied to any land or anything like that, including the United States. So it's a different experience for me to kind of like see people who are really connected to their land, their community, their language. But I think it's really important, and really I feel very honored to kind of be welcomed into this. I can't compare it because I feel like this region is incredibly beautiful and also a very unique place in the world. You know, it's not really comparable to other places. So I think what you guys are doing is very important in terms of, you know, making art in the language where you live and keeping it sort of.
Something like that. So. Oso ondo.
Eskerrik asko.
Eskerrik asko.